Tesla. Let's trade it now with Tim Bigham, options strategist, Pilot AI. How are you approaching your example trade for Tesla, which has had a pretty good month?
Yeah, Sam, taking a look at some of those analyst upgrades, certainly, not far above where the stock is trading from Canaccord, only about a, 10% pop from here to 490. So not a strong, if you will, conviction buy, in my opinion. Stock, as you alluded to, having one of the best runs it has ever had here. It's up over 25% since 9/11 as it came off that 350 level, starting to run into a little resistance here, certainly overbought on a technical basis. As you talked about too, the fundamentals are, to put it bluntly, a little mental here as you have the price targets all over the place. And this is a company that you said, is it AI? Is it a car company? I think it's at heart still an Elon Musk company. So as Musk goes, the stock kind of will swing in one direction or another as well. So I'm just going out to November, selling an out-of-the-money call spread, the 500-505, getting about $1 net credit. So like that return on risk, risking 400 to make 100, a 25% return, and have plenty of upside cushion, about 12% from where the current stock is. So really not knowing where this stock is going to go over the next month and a half or so, but giving myself plenty of leeway. And I think given the recent red hot rally, at least the rally will slow down here at some point, in my opinion, and getting paid decently to position in a risk-defined way to do so.
Yeah, and I suppose Musk's refocus on the company very much is helping out some of that confidence as well, been driving some of the upwards momentum throughout the course of the month. Just want your overall take on the markets today, losing a bit of steam as we close out the month and the quarter, Tim.
Yeah, interesting that we are right at the 6666 level, basically on the S&P 500, the SPX. The lows back during the heights of the financial crisis, March 6th of 2009 was 666. So if you're kind of a believer in kind of numbers, if you will, we're starting to maybe get to a point where it may be a short-term top just in that aspect. Certainly valuations off the charts. We've been talking about that too long, but I think we're starting to see some cracks in some of the red hot AI names. So I think at some point we need to dip below that 20-day moving average. Haven't been below it really since the Liberation Day lows, one of the longest stretches in market history. So I think a pullback will be healthy here at some point.
I don't know, it sounds ominous to me, what you're saying, Tim, but love your work. Thank you so much and appreciate the shirt today, like the lemons there. All right, Tim Bigham, option strategist for Pilot AI.